After the 12 zodiac animals, I will teach you other animals in Chinese in the coming videos. The first one I would like to talk is
狼 狼
It means wolf. You may notice that the left-hand side of
狼
is the same as the left-hand side of dog.
狗
There is an idiom in Chinese. It is
狼心狗肺狼心狗肺
In direct translation it means wolf's heart and dog's lung. It is used to describe someone who does bad thing to the person that does good to him. It is similar to the idiom bite the hand that feeds one in English. The second animal is
狐狐
but more commonly we call it
狐狸狐狸
It is fox. The tail of fox in Chinese is
狐狸尾巴狐狸尾巴
We use
露出狐狸尾巴露出狐狸尾巴
to describe someone's evil plan is disclosed.
露出
Is a verb, meaning to disclose or is disclosed. Next is
獅獅
It means lion, but we normally call lion.
獅子獅子
In festival, lion dancing must be one of the celebrating program. Have you watched lion dancing before, no matter in person or from video? The following is
貓貓
meaning cat. Can you imagine this character is like a cat sitting on floor? Another big cat is
豹豹
It is leopard. You may notice the left side of
豹
is the same as that of cat,
貓
but it is not the left side of dog.
狗
The last character is
熊熊
it is bear. If the two characters
熊
and
貓
are written together, it is another animal.
熊貓
Means panda. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.